This is the planet with the most monstrous habitable conditions in the universe. This planet is about 20 light-years away. It is considered one of the planets most likely to have life. However, there is one strange thing about this planet: it is a one-way locked planet. This means that the planet is always pointing one side towards its host star, and the other side is forever in darkness. On the side facing the host star, the temperature is very high and can burn everything. On the contrary, on the dark side of this planet, the temperature is so low that it is freezing. If you are teleported here, you will definitely be turned into an ice statue immediately. But if the weather conditions are so extreme, why is this planet considered habitable? The reason is because this planet has a special region where life can completely exist. It is the boundary between day and night, where the temperature is neither too hot nor too cold. Theoretically, this small space is fully qualified to support life. And if an advanced civilization exists here, then in 7 years they will know of the existence of humans. That's because in 2008 we sent a radio signal to this planet, and it is expected that by 2029 that signal will reach here. This liquid is released which can reach an amazing temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. They are carabinate beetles, also known as the bombardier beetles. This insect has a rather special defense mechanism. When disturbed, they will release liquid poison from the abdomen with a spray valve. There is a reservoir in the reaction chamber in the abdomen of this beetle, in which the compounds hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide produced by the excretory glands are stored. When the beetles is stimulated, the muscles around the liquid chamber will contract, and the two compounds above are brought into the cavity to react strongly under the action of catalytic enzymes, releasing a lot of heat, nearly 100 degrees Celsius. Can evaporate 1/5 of the mixture. It turned into hot gas, and then the valve of the reaction chamber was opened. The hot gas and the strong-smelling solution spewed out and made an explosion, delivering a fatal blow to the enemy. The total amount of poison stored in the fart worm's body can launch about 20 consecutive attacks. This has made scientists feel very surprised because a small creature can possess a modern defense mechanism no less than biological weapons. Relying on this powerful defense mechanism, bombardier beetles can continuously craft weapons even after being swallowed by enemies, and eventually have to vomit them out. Few people know that Popeye the Sailor character actually exists. His real name is Frank Rocky Fiegel, born in Poland on January 27, 1868. He emigrated with his family to America, where he joined the Navy in 1887. When the creator of Popeye met him, he was a retired sailor, hired by Weebush's Tavern in Chester, Illinois, USA to clean up and maintain order. He has a reputation for messing around with fights, that's why he has a deformed Popeye eye. Popeye's increased physical prowess was demonstrated in so many battles he participated that he became a local legend. Popeye always smoked a pipe and therefore spoke with only one side of his mouth. When he was in a group of young children, he would hold his pipe in the corner of his mouth and tell them stories of his childhood. In his stories, he often brags about his physical prowess, firmly claiming that spinach is what makes him invincible. Popeye's creator, Elsie Chrysler Seeger, was born in Chester and was one of the children who had the honor of hearing Liv the ex-sailor's thrilling stories. Brawler Frank Rocky Fiegel died in 1947 at the age of 79, but the character he inspired lives on forever.